Hello, this is Aaron again with Houston ISD IT Training with another Solution Center video. Outlook Calendar. Have you ever used it before? It's a feature inside of Microsoft Outlook that allows you to view your day and the days of others that have shared their calendars with you. Therefore, we can see any meetings they have scheduled on their calendars, any meetings you have scheduled on your calendar. You can even schedule meetings for yourself and other participants as well. Let's go ahead and open up Outlook. And by default, it shows you your inbox. But we want to view the calendar, so let's click the calendar icon down here on the left navigational panel. And then now I see a calendar here that I have created. And I could see here on the present day that I'm making this video at the moment, September 14th. And I have it on my calendar to make Outlook video. And I can also change this, so if I want to view just today, I can click day there on the ribbon. I could also view work week. And that's a predetermined work week within my account, so it's set to say Monday through Friday. But other accounts could be programmed to say something like Tuesday through Saturday, Wednesday through Sunday, or another work week as determined by you, the user. Also, we can just view the regular 7-day week. But I'm going to stick with month. I want to view my month. That's how I like to view it, but of course your mileage may vary, so choose what works best for you. And I can also go across different days here. Or actually months, but if I'm in day and I use the navigational arrows, it puts me through the different days. If I click back to month using the navigational arrows, it'll put me in through the months. It'll start flipping through months. But if I need to snap back to the present day, let's click the today button. Okay, now I'm back on the present day, September 14th. Now, let's go ahead and view another calendar. Let's say, for example, a team member has shared their calendar with you and you want to view their availability. Let's click on Kenyon here. And there's his calendar, and it's color-coded as pink, but I could customize that color as well if I needed to by giving it a right-click on that pink section there. And where it says color, I can choose any color I'd like. And note, he will not see the change to the calendar. It will only be within your account that you will see the color change. Now, it doesn't do me any good to continue to look between the two different calendars, going back and forth like a ping pong ball. So I can overlay these two calendars by clicking that navigational arrow up there, and it's called overlay mode. So let's click on it. And now my calendar is overlaid with Ken's calendar, and I can see that I'm making an Outlook video, and these are all the things that he has to do for September 14th. But let's say I don't need to see these overlaid anymore. Well, I can click the arrow, and now they're snapped apart again. And if I need to make that calendar disappear, I can just close the calendar there by clicking that X. Okay, so that was just calendar view. That was looking at our calendars and calendars that have been shared with us. Now, what if I need to create a meeting or schedule an appointment?
The HISD Solution Center is a one-stop help site for HISD-specific help topics. Go to My HISD and click on Solution Center near the top of the page. Once inside the HISD Solution Center, you can use keyword search at the top of the page or select Search for Solutions on the left navigation. The Solution Center hot topics will be listed near the top, as well as the most prominent categories in tile form. The trending solutions include the most popular help articles. Most Solution Center help articles contain step-by-step instructions, screen captures with callouts, and even videos to help you solve your problem. Visit the HISD Solution Center today.